Best Lawn Mower Battery. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best lawn mower batteries available today. Whether you're looking to upgrade your mower's performance or replace an old battery, we'll explore top-rated options that offer reliability, durability, and ease of use. From high-cold cranking amps to maintenance-free designs, find the perfect battery to keep your lawn equipment running smoothly year-round. EverStart 12-volt, 275 cca Lawn Mower Battery. The EverStart 12-volt, 275 cca Lawn Mower Battery is a reliable power source for various lawn care vehicles. With 275 cold cranking amps, cca, it ensures your mower or tractor starts smoothly, even in colder conditions. This battery features top post terminals for easy installation and compatibility with a range of models. It comes with a 3-month free replacement warranty and free battery testing and installation services at Walmart Auto Care Centers. Additionally, Walmart offers free recycling for old batteries, making it a convenient and eco-friendly choice for lawn care enthusiasts. Traveler powered by Interstate 12V 375A Lawn Mower Battery. Energize your mower with the robust Traveler powered by Interstate 12V 375A Rider Mower Battery. This reliable battery, boasting a 300 cold cranking amps (cca) capacity, ensures dependable starts across various makes and models of rider mowers. It features a nut and bolt top terminal, a 32-minute reserve capacity, and a maintenance-free design. Built-in handles simplify lifting and installation, while a double-sealed lid offers tip/tilt protection and reduces water loss. The durable lead calcium alloy grids and rugged polypropylene case ensure long-lasting performance and durability. With OE quality performance and a 6-month free replacement warranty, this battery is a dependable choice for lawn care enthusiasts. DieHard 230 cca, 285 ca Lawn Mower Battery. Elevate your lawn care routine with the DieHard Silver Lawn and Garden Battery, designed for reliable starting power in all seasons. Perfect for a variety of equipment including lawn mowers, tractors, loaders, and generators, this battery ensures dependable performance. Its maintenance-free design eliminates the hassle of upkeep, while the offer of free battery recycling and testing adds convenience. For California residents, a refundable deposit applies to each lead-acid battery purchased, incentivizing proper disposal and recycling. Complement your lawn care needs by exploring additional products like engine oil, filters, belts, and spark plugs at Advance Auto Parts. With DieHard Silver, enjoy hassle-free, consistent power for all your lawn and garden equipment. Mighty Max YTX4L BS Lawn Mower Battery. Rev up your ride with the YTX4L BS, a sealed lead-acid SLA, absorbed glass mat AGM, rechargeable battery. This 12-volt 3Ah battery boasts 50 cold cranking amps cca, and comes fully charged, sealed, and maintenance-free. Its premium AGM technology ensures high discharge rates, wide operating temperatures, and deep discharge recovery, making it ideal for ATVs, motorcycles, personal watercraft, jet skis, and snowmobiles. The spill-proof design resists shocks and vibrations, offering long-lasting performance in both high and low temperatures. With dimensions of 4.40 inches x 2.90 inches, x 3.42 inches, and a polarity of negative on the left and positive on the right, it's ready for immediate installation, providing reliable power without the need for additional accessories. Ego Power Plus 56V 7.5Ah Lawn Mower Battery. Unlock the full potential of your equipment with the ARC lithium battery. Designed to prevent overheating, this battery ensures longer operation at full power. Its shock-resistant construction protects against drops and environmental elements, while intelligent power management optimizes individual cells for maximum performance and runtime. Charging fully in just 45 minutes with the Ego Power Plus Turbocharger, CH7000, it features a fuel gauge with indicator lights that display remaining runtime in 20% increments. Compatible with all EGO tools, the ARC lithium battery offers a substantial 420 Wh capacity and weighs only 6.3 pounds. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, it combines durability, efficiency, and reliability for all your power needs. Traveler powered by Interstate 12V 310Ca Lawn Mower Battery. Unleash the power of your mower with the Traveler powered by Interstate 12V 310Ca Rider Mower Battery. This highly reliable battery offers a robust 310 cranking amps, Ca, and 250 cold cranking amps, CCA, for dependable starts. It features a nut and bolt top terminal with a 24-minute reserve capacity, fitting various makes and models of rider mowers. The maintenance-free design includes a double-sealed lid for tip/tilt protection and reduced water loss. Built-in handles facilitate easy lifting and installation, while the durable lead calcium alloy grids and robust polypropylene case ensure optimal performance and rugged durability. Backed by a 6-month free replacement warranty, this battery delivers OE quality performance for all your lawn care needs. Die-Hard Lawn and Garden Platinum AGM Lawn Mower Battery. Revitalize your lawn care with the Die-Hard Platinum AGM Lawn and Garden Battery, engineered for exceptional longevity and power using AGM technology. This battery guarantees reliable starts in all seasons for lawn mowers, tractors, loaders, backhoes, four-wheelers, generators, and commercial lawnmowers. Its maintenance-free, non-spillable design offers the safest solution, while its vibration-resistant construction ensures durability in harsh conditions. With up to 2x the starting power of standard acid-filled batteries, it excels in performance. Additionally, benefit from free battery recycling and testing services, and explore advanced auto parts for other lawn care essentials like oil, filters, belts, and spark plugs. California residents should note the $2 non-refundable battery fee and refundable deposit for proper recycling. Durastart U1-25250cca Lawn Mower Battery. Unleash dependable power with the 12-volt battery boasting a robust 250 cold cranking amps and 310 cranking amps. With a 20-hour amp-hour capacity of 14, it ensures reliable performance over extended periods. Ideal for various applications, this battery offers a reserve capacity of 25 minutes at 24 amps, ensuring continuous operation when needed most. Its durable construction includes lead calcium alloy grids for enhanced performance and longevity, making it maintenance-free for added convenience. Whether for automotive, marine, or recreational use, the battery's versatile design and reliable starting power make it a practical choice. Compact yet powerful, it fits seamlessly into a range of vehicles and equipment, ensuring consistent performance in diverse conditions. Thank you for watching our guide to the best lawn mower batteries. We hope this information helps you make an informed decision for your lawn care needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and reviews on maintaining your outdoor equipment. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please subscribe our channel.